Okay, today we're going to show you how to create a manual journal within Zoho Books. This is where we need to reallocate a transaction to another area within your accounts. So we have to navigate to our accountant section and we have to go to the manual journals tab. Here we can go to a new journal and we can create the journal here. So we enter the date that it relates to. We can say prepayment of rent, for example. The VAT treatment confirms whether or not, if this journal is going to appear on your VAT return, how this needs to be treated. So the notes relates to July 2024. The items in red are mandatory and do need to be completed. Cash-based journal is if you are running your cash-based reports. Journals do default to an accrual basis and are recommended. I'm going to exclude this journal from the VAT return as I'm doing a prepayment. So within here we put in the rent. And I'm going to credit £2,000 and then here I'm going to put in the prepayment. And then here we just hit save. Should this need to be reversed, we can easily hit the three little dots and go to create reverse entry, and we can pop that in there, dated the 1st July. All journals, are shown here, and they can easily be searched should you need to find one. And they can also be filtered by date should you need to have a look.